My husband spent most of his life as a helicopter pilot. When he retired, the helicopter he trained on was set to be scrapped and turned into metal. But instead of letting it go, he bought it and decided to give it a second life. But the most interesting part is hidden beneath the house. Inside the helicopter, we created a fully functional underground bunker with storage, ventilation, and even a flight simulator built right into the original cockpit. Now my husband can relive his flying days anytime he wants and spend hours in the air again. Hope you like our idea. Support us with a like.